Hello everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. Hope you all are doing great. Today I'll be making chicken burger. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Let's get started. As you can see, my well cleaned chicken breast is already on the cutting board. I will slice it in half. Then put it inside the bowl. I will add 2 Maggi Cubes, half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon of Cameroon pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder, quarter teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of Suya powder, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. I will mix it together so that all these ingredients I just added will enter into the chicken. I will set it aside and let it marinate for 20 minutes. In a mixing bowl, I will add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I'll mix them together. In another mixing bowl, I will add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili pepper, half teaspoon of garlic powder. I will mix it together. In another bowl, I'll break my egg inside, then add 4 tablespoons of milk. I'll mix them together. Now I'll take my marinated chicken breast and coat it inside the flour. After that, I will dip it inside the egg mix and put it back inside the flour. I will coat it generously with the flour. Then dust out the excess flour out of it and put it in a plate. As you can see, I've started preheating my oil. Now I'll add my chicken breast. By the way guys, I'm going to be frying my chicken on a medium-high heat. I'll fry it on each side for 4 minutes until it's golden brown. Now we'll flip it to the other side so that it can cook as well. Now we'll take it out of the pan and put it in a plate that has a paper towel on it. This is how it looks, as you can see. Now I'm going to fry some bacon. I don't use oil when frying my bacon because the bacon has its own oil on it. I'll fry it on each side for 2 minutes, then flip it over. Please remember to put your gas on a low heat when frying your bacon. Does not need high heat. Now I'll take it out from the fry pan. This is how it looks. In a clean plate, I'll put my burger bun inside, then spread the sauce on it. I will add my chicken. I will add sliced cheese. I will add my sliced lettuce. I will add sliced tomatoes. I will add sliced onion. I will add some bacon on it. Then add another cheese. I will spread some sauce on the top of my bun. Then put it on the burger and press it down. So guys, this is the end result of my chicken burger. If you enjoyed this recipe, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and put on the bell notification button so that you know when I upload video. Everything I use will be down in the description box below. Thanks for watching. God bless you. See you guys next time. Bye.